Hi everybody. This is the way I like to start my day, and I want to start my day with you today. So I'm on the mat, and we begin by meditating now. So,
So finding a comfortable seat, sitting up tall, releasing the hands, and finding the breath. So for a moment, just noticing your natural breath as it travels in and as it moves out. Maybe just noticing what's around you, the sounds that you hear, without pushing anything away, allowing yourself to get closer to them, remembering that we are not separate from those noises. This is all a part of life. It's all a part of existing. And taking the attention back to the breath. And together, let's take a deep inhale in. And then exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale in to the nostrils, letting it travel all the way down to the belly. Dropping the jaw. Exhale fully and completely back out. And then moving back to your natural breath. Noticing where your mind is in this moment. Is it traveling in the future? Or is it still lingering in the past? Invite yourself to come to this present moment. The present moment where you just acknowledge the breath and life to be just what it is. Finding calmness and stillness, patience and gratitude. Maybe even noticing some self-judgment. Begin to notice if you can find some compassion there for the self. The parts where we find forgiveness, strength, kindness, begin by offering that to ourselves. Forgiving some of our past mistakes and our future mistakes. Taking a breath in, releasing and letting go with the mouth. And taking a moment to think about someone we love out in this world. Maybe they're still with us. Maybe they've transitioned. Without holding on to anything of the past or thinking about what will come in the future, allow yourself to be with that person right now. Imagining that they're standing in front of you, heart to heart. Maybe you can feel the depth of love that you have for this person. The happiness they bring to your life. The joy, the goodness. And maybe you whisper to them, I see you. I love you. Take a deep breath in. And as we exhale, we send them on their way. Bringing to mind someone else who may be challenging in our world. Maybe we don't talk to this person. Maybe there's some uncomfortable feelings that come up when we think of them. Imagine that you're standing in front of this person, face to face. Heart to heart. Maybe you find it challenging to find forgiveness in this moment. Taking a deep breath in. And accepting that. Having compassion for yourself and where you are in this moment. Maybe having compassion for them if it's available for you, if you're open to it. Acknowledging that we are all just humans, trying our best and having experiences. Remembering that they are enough and that you are enough. Taking a deep breath in, and with compassion sending them on their way. So bringing yourself back to yourself. Just acknowledging your humanness, your spirit, your heart. Giving yourself compassion, giving yourself love. Remembering that the universe is here, supporting your highest and your most genuine good. Allowing yourself to just release and let go of what no longer serves you in order to create, to open ourselves up to more love, to more joy. Take another breath in, exhaling out. We end with the affirmation, the love I give to others, I also give to myself. I am worthy of divine love.
Worthy of divine love. Namaste, everybody. Namaste, namaste. Thank you for joining me. This is the way I begin my day and end my day. Have a wonderful, beautiful Friday. Thank you, guys.
When you have auto blast damage, trust SafeLink. In one easy appointment,
we can